Syifanida and I'm currently studying in the University of Education in Indonesia. I am majoring in the International Program on Science Education, and today I have my teaching practice for the course Lower Secondary School Science. And the topic will be on excretion in humans, which is a biology topic, and I hope it will help the student out watching the video, and also good luck for those who are going to do their exams, and let's get on to the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi grade students. So today I am going to teach you guys about excretion in humans. And I hope you guys have all your energy, and I hope your mood is up, and I hope you guys are doing fine in this quarantine month. And I hope you guys are healthy too, and keep spirits. So, what do you guys think about the excretion in humans? When you hear about the term excretion, what do you guys think about? I want you guys to comment what you have learned at the comment section down below, and after you have heard this presentation, you can comment again too. Okay. So the learning outcomes that you will get from this lesson is the first, to define the term of excretion. The second is naming the excretory organs and its products. The third is describing the role of the organs in excretion. The fourth is describing the structure of the urinary system. And lastly, stating the excretory diseases. Oh, did you guys comment yet? I'll give you 5 seconds to comment what you think about when you hear excretion. It's okay if it's wrong. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. I will explain it. So what is excretion? Excretion is the removal of the waste products of metabolism, toxic materials, and substances that is excess in the body. So it might be useful for your body, but if it's too much in your body, an excess requirement, it's not going to be healthy. So we don't want that in our body, right? So these include the waste products of the chemical reactions in our body, the excess water and salts that we take in our diet, so from food and our drinks, hormones that are in our body, and also it removes drugs and other foreign substances that we don't want in our body. For example, overdosing in ibuprofen or Panadol, that's not good for us, so they will remove it. And it's really useful for our daily life. So I hope you guys do not take excessive amounts of medicine or drugs. So there are 3 excretory organs that we have to know. Here I provided a picture for you guys, so you guys will have a better visualization what our body looks like inside, because we cannot see our body from the outside, right? Our organs. Okay, the first is the lungs, which excrete the carbon dioxide. The second is the liver, which is processes toxic materials and make them harmless. And also they produce bile, which is related to the digestive system. And the third is the kidneys, which excrete urea and salts and will turn it into urine later on. We will talk about it. And note, maybe you guys think, why didn't Miss mention about feces or about sweat. Here you go. I will explain it. So don't get confused. Okay, so sweat is excreted from the skin, but however, the skin is not an excretory organ because it has more to do with temperature than actually the blood flow in our body. So even though it consists water and salts and also a little bit of urea, it's not the product, or it's not an excretory organ. And the second, most students get confused between excretion and egestion. So excretion is removing waste from our body, from our blood, like salts and urea. But egestion is actually undigested food, the waste of it. So and it comes out of the anus. So this has to do more related to digestive system, the breaking down of food in the stomach. The next is I will explain more about the organs and the lungs. So the lungs, as I have mentioned before, excrete carbon dioxide, and it also loses water vapor, but we don't really mention it that much in the exam. So it is the product of respiration, aerobic respiration. And when let's do it. Inhale, we take in oxygen in our body, and when we exhale, we release or excrete carbon dioxide that is not needed, and it might be poisonous for the body if it's too much. And the second is the liver, and the liver breaks down excess amino acid and produces urea, which will be filtered in the kidneys later on. It also breaks down many substances in the blood, like toxins, and that is really bad, like the drugs. And also it produces bile, which is more related to the digestive systems, but I'm just going to mention it again because you have learned about the digestive system, right? In case you forget. And the bile will go out through the anus. And we go into the kidneys. The kidneys is actually not only the kidneys. The urinary system is composed of different structures. The first one we have to know is the basic things first, which is what is urine? I'm sure you guys know what urine is. Urine is, pee, which is a body fluid that consists of waste substances, and it's dissolved in the water. And maybe some of you guys are wondering, why is it yellow? Because one of the waste in our body is a yellow pigment color. And also, if you don't want it to be yellow, you have to drink a lot of water. The more yellow your urine is, the more it shows that you're actually dehydrated, and you need to drink more water. And urea is a colorless compound that dissolves in water, blood, plasma, and urine. So here I will get into the structure and the process of the urinary system. So I have provided a picture again that you guys will have to look at because it will be harder not to look at it. So the first, I have done it in stages, so you guys will remember it and understand it better. Remember, understanding is key. The first is the renal artery, what does the renal artery do? It brings waste to the kidneys that is in the blood. And the second, after the waste and blood is delivered through the kidneys, the kidney removes the urea and other chemicals from the blood. So okay, after it goes to the kidneys, there are two ways: the renal vein and the ureters. So the renal vein takes the clean blood away from the kidneys. It goes back up in the if you look at the diagram, it goes up again. And the ureters, it carries it down the bladder. It contains the unwanted waste that is in our body. So the clean blood goes to the renal vein and the ureter goes down. And then it goes to the bladder and it just stores urine there until you have to go to the toilet. And then it comes out of the urethra, which carries out urine out of the body. So you guys don't usually people and students most of the times get confused between ureters and urethra. Look at number 4 and number 6. It's completely different subject, thing, an organ. So make sure you guys know which one is which. Okay, next. Okay, why do I have to learn or know about this? Lots of students will ask this question most of the time. I can't see my organs. Why do I have to learn about this? So this is so you understand about your body more, and so you will be able to also take care of it. What is the relation between knowing about my body and being healthy and taking care of it? Because if you know how your body works, you will know what you need for your body. And also to make students more grateful about their body, because some people, they have like here the diseases, kidney failure, which is really sad. So some people will have to even live with only one kidney, and it's really sad to look at it. So you guys have to be more grateful about your body and also take care of it. So by taking care of it, you can eat healthy things like vegetable fibers and staying hydrated, meaning not soda drinks or sweet drinks. Drinking water is enough, and drinking water is the healthiest one. So here are the common excretory diseases: kidney stones, kidney failures, and urinary tract infection. So you need to be grateful for those people, for those who have good body and healthy bodies. So you guys keep that up and eat healthy, stay hydrated, and now do quiz time. You guys can scan it here or look at the link down below. And also, if you guys still have confusions, you can also replay this video again, or you can look at the resources I have provided for you down below, and I hope it helps. And I will show you guys also a simulation on the organs of especially the urinary system, that I will show you guys next. Do it before, look at it before the quiz, and no cheating during the quiz. One extra thing I want to share to you. So this is a simulation I found in the internet. I'll put the link in the description box below. And here, So you have the urinary system, and here it's not only about the urinary system, but other things too. So you can feel free and explore. So here you can zoom in, and also there is like the explanation on the lower and on the lower torso, show on the map. You can zoom in, zoom out, and here at the bottom there are more explanations besides my explanation about the urinary system. So I hope this helps you guys, and please do it before the quiz, not while the quiz, or you can do it after the quiz, after you get your results, to improve your score. So I think that is all for today. Let's say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Good luck, students. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.